When I post flintknapping videos, the #1 question I receive is people want to know where I get the sharp, shiny rock known as obsidian. It's found in places with a volcanic geological history, and I'm out here in the deserts of southeastern Oregon. This is my favorite place to collect material. Obsidian comes in many different colors, from dull gray like this is known as dacite, to clear, red, colorful like rainbow and fire. I like dacite because it's hard. It cools slower when it forms, so it's not as clear. It's more like basalt, but it's still very sharp. And it's everywhere. There's a flow behind me with thousands and thousands of rocks. The best place is to dig. There's some pits back here with huge boulders. I've seen boulders come out of here that was over 1,000 pounds. But you can easily pick up enough off the surface to make all the tools you want. I'm gonna make some bifaces. I don't wanna haul a bunch because when I flint knap, most of it is chips that I don't use. So I'm gonna pick up some, reduce it down to bifaces, and take it home to make tools. Let's go collect some obsidian. So when you come out here, this is typical of what you find on the surface. Obsidian everywhere. That's a good piece. It's just basically nature's glass. And here's a pit where people dug for some larger pieces. These could be several hundred or even 1,000 pounds. Who knows how big they are. But this is really good stuff. Someone also brought a quartzite hammerstone and struck a piece off. Look at that. Beautiful. You got to be really careful doing this. A small piece came up and struck me in the arm. Always wear eye protection. In under a minute, I have huge flakes from these rocks. Let's go make some bifaces. My flint knapping toolkit includes a leather pad, some antler billets, a hammerstone, and safety glasses. The first thing I want to do is remove the thin, brittle edges. Then I can sand flakes in and thin the piece. That's pretty good. Now we'll use the antler billet. Just taking away the high spots. Now I was going as fast as possible, but that's a nice biface. We can make so many tools from this. Next piece. That's perfect for an arrowhead. Now that's a thin piece. It's like paper. Well, that's how I make bifaces, much more convenient than carrying home a bunch of rocks. We'll make these into tools in future videos. Well, for all the viewers who ask where I get my obsidian, out in the desert. Thanks for watching.